Aber er ist smile am the compliments.
Ella, on camera. Man, you look so young when you shave. It's unbelievable.
Good. Sorry in your winning do my Hodge Kruger. And because of
No. Never. Nah, one on Grug. Akiha. No. This is amazing. That's a line with Jan's Viking sort of job. In the T1 and tire up.
Sin ré amháin. Tá sé just thu eáil ar an dóid normátaréis.
I know, it's kind of Aisha, much of it, and Shumra Kierna.
Yeah. Near our way me comfortach just egg one these farmer shaw nickel.
To find through to find the social anxiety pangs of his man and Shumra.
I go Liam. There no.
And what is his body language saying? What do I do? Then you what piece of cook is shaped in and don't spoken to could skill interpret that Leo body language. It was and you code was in glas that's just all gone to fuck and you have to start all over again. Walking around in eggshells.
What does it mean? What does it mean if they touch my hand? I think it means you want me to leave the room.
So that joke was Pam or Hossie Shevsha or Kaidra Vincent Glas out.
Yeah, well, me or other, but more than
that. Exactly.
Being
on the wheel hits and then boom. Impressive. Had the legs for it is a phrase I really like. It's Ralms and Frasation. Frasa at on chilling digging to Toshak project no Togri the Kenya Legan. It's why I go near if you want to just be careful. Let's just see if it has the legs. Let's just see if it has the legs.
And there too ictus Silwadi wine.
Sheep is tithe and give it a did I? Yes.
Yeah, just tell me a glacklash.
Dirt me ictus actually it has some dirt me ictus Gaelic Witcher Lindy.
Much Kiana
Gaelic Witcher Lindy will be the springboard. This will be the springboard for Gaelic Witcher Lindy.
For the dominance of Canawinch Gorahas na man Hoshilta.
Agus vi taniste Gaelic Witcher Lindy a Jagwell or a Soldich. Alan a goody chat directly at owner coach fans. Nis Spinyan na Klenya Banya Ur imagine, it's brilliant. But the lingerie and the jock straps have to stop.
Yeah.
Because there's only so much room. Shin barrack. Agus it's lower text.
Yeah. Agus Neil Liam Aguirre a Hudge used boxers a Yale Erdina. Stad Lishin Cashed. Shin Jerry Lish. We're putting it to bed. Neil Mudgy Gold or Shin Race Ach. Tas on go on Rahard John Ach. Had Jeg Lish Yanni.
No, it's just a bit too weird for me. Just a bit too weird. Agus Shin Galore Shin Gapla the Dakle in our luck planning. Inta Agumsa at a Hudjik the Conán. In which a couple of chat tavern Jassa. Agus Hershin Mujik Swinu van tithe taverne is far siar. Dar lat.
A smaller man Lincolnshire into professionally.
As a teacher who never plans his lessons well enough, I must always be on my feet.
The jazz mar link.
Her Conán list of Irish news.
Lonely Planet's 20 best Irish pubs. suchar nachhfuil ar na man thuisiil den is faim má hud nuacht ar fad ón Irish News agus an Guardian fásta like but
Éireann ar our an Irish News, would you say an dhearthaid hain go bhfuil léirscail agad donna shoppi an bhaidh lia a dhéann an Irish News?
Well hart an cantar seo Dolphins barn Kenyo inch core crumlin drumna hart an
chéad dar lucht é stickte in a million in a milche to be, let's be honest, in the chéad in the hundreds in the chéad atá a ghéisteach an bhaidh lia as na séchande. Where can they get the Irish News in inch core agus
so inch core ní dhéann Eurospar and Irish News ach díann Tesco beidir ga chop so biggie an lua den é ail agus an sin má tá tú hart Dolphins barn tro tá choir bíon ceanna Tesco's had ag glad a bheith brair so ní bháin dat go go Tesco's and Dolphins barn ach tá sparbug an sin má tá tú ag siúil haar an mosque in sin agus ma leann tú a ré agus trasna ón Griffith Barracks tá sparbug an sin agus bíon a gcónaí Irish News on.
Yes, agus Capri into jazz actually. Capri into jazz. What do you think? Could you get into it? What do you think are the thought processes? Could you take all trees inchin and then you tag gas and newspaper order? But sure, there's wee Mickey from County Derry there. He'll want his wee Irish News. Better get that.
Better, does he ask Jack like me? Well, like okay, we need a Irish News.
One Irish News.
Irish News better 3. But cé bhfuil formula cast on. Okay, cé Irish News a bheith ar fáil ahan 3K better gur part done Good Friday Agreement go raibh air Realtas an Jescart sinna dheanú an guarantee a horse the witcher na sé conde go méo an Irish News a fáil gach 3K sa car.
It's plausible. It's plausible. Agus sílim go méo sin a scéal inta. The Irish News, the untold hero, the unsung hero of Good Friday Agreement.
Seal Waddy Wine investigates or spin off podcast.
Seal Waddy Wine exclusive
podcast.
I like it.
Okay,
Irish News are up to their dirt and all sorts of things, I'm sure. Oh, scandal.
Right, what you're at less in the pubs. Okay, because you're going shop. Okay, chéad ceann. The Grave Diggers, bhaineann clia. Rutí Rio.
No, to my shame. North Dublin.
Yeah. Harú mai seán.
Glasnevin.
Yeah, bhíonn tag ag gúnaí ag Lord Share. Agus dearann sé go sé dói, but just
stout on and I'm sure of air and stout as far my clia.
Yeah. So and chéad eile tá tú in bhaineann clia rahí má dead leis.
Near Louis Tussa the confession box.
Aye.
He'll miss a gromage goal Gene Grave Diggers. I was so disappointed. Although the confession box was lovely, but I'd heard about the Grave Diggers for so long. So it's supposed to be the best pint of Guinness in Dublin. Éireann Mrs. Jennifer Shackton near Guinness.
If he need Harute a gart and ye Shackton.
Yeah. Just in us.
That's the saying of a good pint of Guinness. Fucking shame he's fine ye Shackton.
Healthy dose of gluten. Oh, you never a dog, Aaron. That's sorry. Tabhairne.
Chack, Judy bug. Door. Yeah. Good much birch and son.
The Chaid me bariacht ama a jack Judy bug. Well, hajiglat or agar hay to Rio bariacht ama a jack Judy bug. You're chaid me galore ama on maybe that's ar cheith na glór an.
Chéad ar lá fan stoit an sin tá sí jazz na có.
The jazz. Siadam gur sin chéidir a thosaí mé bud sult a stout. Bhí an chéad stout a dá meise. I lost my stout virginity in beautiful night. They were no way gentle. No, they were no way gentle with the pints in Bilbao. There be me off jag, Mr. Joseph Lawton, for much put the stout in Bilbao.
Can a kid stout a furty in Bilbao?
Yeah, in Czech tavern shop be session Kjollen. I think Mr. Joseph was a Trilachan. So Mr. Director for off jag, Joe like. If you round up the numbers, he was off jag. Agus, yeah, we were like, this is great. We're playing the boron, drinking stout. Agus, you know, once the novelty wore off, we realized these pints are stinking. Too much rash cider agus ruddy immersion.
Heavy and smaointe to doesn't do the golden kid stout.
And bird chugging, we were both like equally like, oh yes, let's do the typical Irish thing. This is our dream to be playing in a, you know, because near Egmund and Skull, we go foil like just after lower sixth when you're still getting the grips way.
That's an early time to lose your stout virginity. It
is. It was a wee bit premature maybe because nobody else was doing it.
Too premature.
Back to school. Yeah, went back to school. I don't think we ever got onto the stout really until we were messing about in Belfast.
It's Kevin Long Chenagoni. You're a Honic mate too na Joe and my first Joe Gahar it's fell goni pint of stout again. It's like
pint of stout. Yeah.
That's real man.
Yeah, we hadn't quite got on to really good stout yet. So in this na haitje are all much stout mel first like the bot, I'd say. I don't think probably right.
During go stout the bot calculor, you know, like an bar he's you know.
During Garusha, but sure you could even say it now, like in this na haitje ha alms the Guinness nismanik in this na haitje ha into jazz, so it probably wouldn't rate anymore.
Or while that
it's all the same. The thing with a pint of stout is the atmosphere and the feelings and the emotions that it brings out the place you're in, so maybe
August na Kevney Ken.
The Kevney Ken.
Or while that clenched in ma stout virginity scale here.
Yes, they're normally wonderful.
Well, vi goni do lugum sa stout. Agus me og ac ni ro an octach ogum ceiste cur urhi. And ro an dul kierna eki onum. Agus vi me kinyo faijack marialer sin ac I hawain vi me a malaclia agus honig me trasnan bar I agus I glasta gajas. In Ryan's Camden Street at Rutasa and talking to yard. Agus I give her a wink across the bar. She caught my eye agus vi me yar her lum agus dirt trashing lum. Do you want me to go up to her and ask the question? Agus vi me let a hall to me get the bug nervous so yashin this Kirshian case dirty agus vi an stouty into sas that haklum so hanak much like helgaji cornel kuan on pub far from the praying eyes of the customer agus
you wet your lips.
Sinne
wet your lips.
Sinne action not zero mo chéad stout on and
well poured gentle.
She gentle. She chef. Erma well.
Good. They treated you well.
Shen mo chéad jock in her ear and stout.
Can you show it?
They have like fia bed.
Yeah. Oh sure, that's right. You're all toss like a jig root in the shin. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Nishinya being 1 or 2 years between Whoa. You're willing to the yeah, willing to the dinning or all the effigy and they're like veterans of the Vietnam War or something.
We shouldn't ask second shot like Gunny in a Yation, Gagarit in a Yation. Your Bagrahlam Golomak Veo Gunny Ganasog like
that was your first drink? Yes.
Yeah. Machid Gra Hugaladra.
Stoiger Hitchmishing Ral against Hudy Bugs, which is the segue back to Hudy Bugs. So Hitchmishing Hudy Bugs, who much Gagidor Syria one, who much Gagidor Gaminik, in St. Gavru, in St. Saudi, in St. Yarach, Ungus Kurta Horka, August the Nadini Gobber Hudy Ahian, no Willie, no Tisney Kevin on Nile no Neil, Dini Diffrilla. Intam way Hudy, so it was cracking Tachla. August Agoni Vidini similar Hudys. Each intact and Kjol, August Tan, and Namashihan harder Nech. Tashi authentic, Tashi fearr. It's a real hub of culture and music. It's amazing. And the stout is like dessert.
Like buttermilk.
Neil she Costasach. Intach reason.
Okay, Rahim Fridge wrenched in a pubs mar Nihilim Gomel, Cacrogan and Shot. The Barras Folk Club Clonakilty.
No, but it sounds wonderful.
Yeah, but Ralam Guller Stag at Clonakilty. The Murring. The Murrings Dungarvan.
No, but East Dungarvan, Port Larriga, to go like Hinta.
O'Connell's Skern, County Meath.
Not too sure why that's there. Do you know?
You also got an ad in the Guinness again, Nolik. Shannon pub and Shan. Yeah.
Okay. August and there, to be fair, in the Midlands, in bog country, well maybe Meath isn't quite bog country, but in the Midlands, a wee town like that, what are people going to do? Going to drink a bunch of stout. Then pipes are going to be flowing like a river.
Yes. Dick Max Dingle.
Who am I in Téann?
Yeah. Rutasa on again a commercial spell in the Giltach in Gary. Hello.
No, yeah, he may be Michel le ear Kelly Megan. Who Michel Lehi was Macharja go. What do you call that there festival in Bondoran?
Surf.
Sea sessions. Great time had. Agus vi tosse who does a good commercial spell in the Giltach agus vi am enta hogubshe.
Vi am my Jogan.
Be Jared again with Pell, and Jared doesn't play football. He hits football, he only plays so much. And the manager of the Gilga was like, who's that fella? And Jared be Jared Gordy here. Jared has a hip that doesn't work. It made a big impression.
Who's
that deadly footballer?
Hula Bannister Napela Garo Bircharas Dura. Them boys would know how to kick a football. August Jared we must like not the much go there and dry less ahan nihan John you may. When you sports August vi Jared Mara Jan and Jared into Sasta. Love to didn't want to let down la gente and Dummershay. Okay, let's see the picking me a couple of pub Ernest at a tie, the rusty macro.
Tell
be a special done.
And Rudfui rusty mackerel, Tashi Sigiltak, Agus and fearr animer and Tanyum and here anima beer and rusty mackerel. Na cool adun.
Cool adun.
CU fata IL A apostrophe. DU fata in. Cool adun. Agus. Shin tasuk group grúpa ceol Alton.
Aye.
Ba sin teach tabhairne sochu. Because chilling go mai le bhéin ag ceantar gilteachta ag gil ag gant ar fad. Ceann den an haidethe is sibhre a daca leis le tradiisiún in fiddleireacht, the fiddle tradition. Sa chundae. I wonder agus bhí sin go far an dubhairde. A fiddler named Dubh, who was like supposed to be like so good as chilling. Agus so deny there was some ag muncher ag banna cheol Alton teach tabhairne bheach in St. Canterson. I don't know what happened in there. There bhí mission 3J was mission go fáil coola duna bhí but né in bliniation that we should in rusty mackerel I mind just thinking rusty mackerel is a cool game, but for an area like chilling, I thought cooler dune was much more appropriate. But anyway, but tan check tabhairne mar ggéirne te sé ganta agus pinte jazz on. Agus bí inta jazz. Tan Canterson just dochreide actually. Tan Canterson dochreide
ganta.
Actually, on a segue, we side note, not a segue. Fearr Virginia or fad are chéad curtain in St. Canterson, just heard for chéad slashes and bhóthar.
Yep. Tarrant's picture than Esther or fad there, Kajay mar vision, Kajay mar a wahi to cost the fearr, than chéad. Absolutely. But he nervous after every.
Go home land, mar. Just made a gap in you grow. Curt sugum hanna. So I wasn't frigid. Are you frigid? Like didn't on the blast in the defriller? You're like, are you a frigid? And I'm like, no, I've had 5 Curts. Okay, who do you go with? A girl in France when I was in holidays.
American who came to visit Mahara.
Yeah. Did a really good story built up. And it turned out everybody was doing the same thing. I remember one man was like, no, I've never kissed anybody. And everybody's like,
Critterbot. Agus cén dói a bhhairtú an Curt sortailte ar chuirdainn teach an chéist arthaí se na.
Scéal the jazz nuair a smaointe ar scéal the jazz bhí dú agam sin san cairin seo ar mu sé cardiúil le agus bhí sé pí bug nervous se agus back and forth, the back and forth between friends being cairin seo ag January agus in Jerry, like she was working really, really hard. And then like a couple of days later, people were like, and Pogi Tuss and Kelly Chin. So it was her that liked me, the girl that was doing all the running backward and forward.
August and Rodul August.
Not then. I was like, I don't know. Because near Folk Michigan was like, I don't have the time for this. Now that I had some attention, I was like, I don't know what to do with this. And then in a couple of possibly worker here, different. Like basically puberty kicked in. And I was like, maybe hold on there. She's quite pretty. She's good looking.
Yeah.
Maybe I want her to be my girlfriend. I was like, yes. And then because I didn't know what it was like for somebody to really like me. It was really that whole shit. You're like, how do you react?
Talking like friggin' Octa Ditchnag Duggan like
yeah, absolutely. Because like they're not really yes, Huckle say I can go killing Kosasta. I was like, wow, I can have this effect on someone. It's so weird. Like to see into Aisha donation, yeah. Go here Mustanya Nis Kunya too,
Yeah.
Story goes to Margaret the Gactin, yeah, but do I glacken to less piece of book different on the Stinny piece of book Nis Kunya too. You grow express different look at her and skull, it's funny. It's funny. Anyway, so Hardish and doing your flat was watching Yale Tech, quite funny. Good crack.
Okay.
The mustard mackerel, fantastic.
Curtail to Nis Moon Airwine.
Oh yes. I can still count because I was so proud of myself, I could still count in my hands the amount of time
Give me
that cougar, or no, ní smó. I can't do it anymore.
but we shouldn't friggin' experience get the moin like that's the sin cost le curtail sé dini defra agus glacad sin Beiger 3
exactly.
we elks like na tatu go gomoy.
Exactly.
So for
grammar. We got
3 we elks
exactly. And the Asians who don't miss it. Oh yeah, curted 6 different times. Of course. And it's to well sure like near Fogmudge in the Kelly Achwain in Gaeltacht. So like first year you get the curt from a winner people. And then no kissing when you're back in school. And then the summertime you get some kissing. It was a seasonal thing. It was a seasonal thing. Into grammar mar her shit like. And it's do I have to ask you now for Dr. Curt.
The segue. So the
hay bales.
Good day?
Hay bales involved. We're running bales involved.
Harrow. Which is the skull.
Okay.
Agus for Neil Sugam Kindoi for me a mac at Callie na visa rang then agus Dartanya check to do like on it, and I was like ni room more in dula agam enchia but we mesh ag mohu and brew and shan like have to get the first card over with now. Come on, Conán. Can't you show ya? Does you know this? Yuri. Agus, they come man.
Shouldn't it's a grammar, shouldn't some of your thought process.
So, they're no, who am I o Nartini hard slant Agus Roddy that you have to have chewing gum to she parch into Tauta done Curt. So I'm like, it's Kevin Dom and Iha Rav and Curt. You'll make Shiska Jamesies Lom Hien le chewing gum a canat.
You're like comparing the condoms. Like you're like I'd like a packet of chewing gum, please. And they're like,
Gary behind the better give you a mic.
Oh yeah, I know what he's up to.
Near Connie,
Conán, what do you do with chewing gum in your pencil case?
You know, chewing gum
to this house.
At near Connie made packet of wine to chewing gum. At Rachion. I was like, I don't know what flavor I want at the time.
Or what flavor she'll want.
Yeah, so Connie May and Sean a V orange, and it was like a tropical flavor. I was like, this will make me stand out from the crowd.
That's hilarious.
This is true. August Kumoila Sean Connie May Sean mint like a mint one with a jail center, like a mint burst. I was like, that's the shen cool faster. So plan gosh on Ogum. August show me rash, good team of I was like, I'm ready now. So who may stack in the scholar August they're now by Calini Sarang a run and upper fad, like they were like, okay, we've got a place sorted. Sean Atcha Rahas to Bishisha on Ikphonic Ort Sean Am a Rahi to on, so who may stack the designated place and Bishisha on August near Lower Mudge, just a couple of moments of Ravak run me and Kenyu Jacker August who may listen tropical chewing. So who may stack August for me and Curt and August.
Agus inis tú seo I chuirteil tú I arist?
near. And a sin who may have an elk agus bhí an muine agam an is. I was like, I know what to do. Agus for me and Curt.
I do the mechanics of it now.
I'm a pro now.
Do you guys see Conán? He's kissed a girl. He looks so different now.
But
it's
Kevin Lum and he has sin and Darna Curt like an elk. And
you walking in all Saturday Night Fever, the shirt unbuttoned.
Or no,
your single chest hair poking out.
And Kevin lad like an elk like we tap a gun Daniel Chack like pointed like the cara.
Will you go with my friend?
Will you go with my friend? August Darnoy and my Yultian she the cara guarantee. Will you go with me instead? And then you got the and she's like, huh? She nodded her head and you're like, yes.
So I'm giving that sense an elk Bagra Ladini. You know chéad being rumour shot on that jockey that chewing gum glacis, yeah. Fear no nachro. But the bouncers used to check it. I'm pretty sure they're probably checking for knives, but I was like,
what your bad gross.
Like you got the chewing gum, and somebody would either you'd have your own chewing gum, or somebody would be getting chewing gum for everybody else, and everybody there'd be six chewing gums produced, 6 packets, and they'd be right. I'd be like, okay, hide it somewhere safe, and some people put it. You're walking in with your chewing gum, or down your trousers, in your boxers. No, never leave. Like in your broga. But you know, people smuggling it in there, like prison. But not gonna finish that sentence. But yeah, like it was a wee bit silly, like a wee bit mental.
But Magarna Curt and San Elk is Kevin being Calling these ards in the Misha. So who Misha Marshall ma Kerme ma hut lava thief here Muño. And it's Kevin Lum and Ye Kyunda Makara Vishay Gaira is like you don't put your hands on the woman's back. That's where the woman puts her hands. You put your hand down at the bottom of her back. I was like,
it's so true though, Conán. It's so true.
Like, oh no.
My reputation is damaged. It's been ruined. Whatever progress you made in the first year building, is ruined. Where I need to ask you about the location. What was the curtain location? I need all the details.
The change or the cloakroom.
So, Conán, you had your first curt in the cloakroom at the back.
Yes,
that's where a lot of people had their first curt.
It's Kevin on Fossa v Cudgewardini Curtail Éireann was.
Like, ladies and gentlemen, there'd be like the wee cloakroom, the wee building was just a three-walled room, which led on from just a hallway, and you could see it from the very end of the hall where there'd be all these classrooms, and people hung up all their bags, sometimes their blazers if they didn't want them. And what people did was they just got in under a couple of blazers, and they were obviously two heads curtain. You just couldn't see the heads, but you could see these torsos very awkwardly sitting down beside each other.
August the jockey the Munsery they didn't agree. And that's like,
oh no. Yeah, and be like, oh no, there's Miss McConnell. Everybody get out of here. You run out the door.
Oh no. But,
then the two people that were curtain would be like, they would be like, so I can't do it.
But and Ronald's Granera, they had Kogail, and then August Jerk and just phionta August Huha or Hugh like Badger like few again elk, you'd like yes, just turn away, walk straight away to your friends after it happened.
Yes. What happens after your first curt in school? Do you just like get up and walk away with each other, or does one of you walk away first?
Me Kevin them actually.
Jesus.
But near lower much in the age, you know.
Your lordship. Anyway, we've spent too long talking about that.
Hey, bhaineann golarás go dtí reoccurring topic in the podcast. Seo an segment. Animacha, Yilka, Gorahas. Okay. So and lista umrita, so we may sawala and Jerry shocking agus we may Lord Schmat Lamahar agus Dirche. I asked Granny about the Gories. Agus Dirche. Gory was the name of them. Agus Dirche Fosta. Gur Hili Granny Garushid and Agoni Waher Falagum, so just my horsen. So hockey maniation ga lehin Frieds Leston and Anyamaha Lamahar just the fight a mac Kiviraku Avete Abota Eichnu. So screamy piece of bug den nota into so and Kion Alumi Lata Hanafian Oher Screecha EOCHAR Ganon I Costly Oher August the key Dirche Guru Shan Chach on an echo a Shanwaher a Vishan are in a Clonion Darabanyam Paddy Oher. It was an old house with a half door on it, like also got the Shan Doris with a half door. So she Lana in 5 Mile Street in Fallagloon. So Dirche Guru Paddy Oher on.
Paddy Oher.
Yeah.
She's so real that.
That's it, Samo.
Kids Linya.
Neil Sogam. It's Doya Hart and Shin.
Badly.
Badger Convery. No, McKenna, but ni Rua Sega. Rua Sega just via Sega and last onion. And Rodella if he scripted to Éireann Lesta no MATHA Matha. Yeah. Like Logan actual Gaelic the Matthew.
Matha.
Agus Dirch daddy go well Kevin uncle the husband Jan Waher. She Darbanium John Fadrick, one of the Fadricks. Agus the coursing den called Matthew her session agone Martha. There's Martha there.
Matha. Maybe that's a corruption of Matthew.
Badger. Martha. Does she someone like well?
Martha. It's very different. It's just so different.
August. Conella Honik much no Damlik. Like can you Logan
Damlik.
The Damlik. They're saying Garu Chailak. The Padamliks.
Aye.
Padamliks.
Padamliks.
Yeah, Padamliks, yeah.
The Bradleys are...
Seen them Bradleys, aye.
I think the Padamliks were Bradleys.
Yeah.
Padamliks.
August. Yeah. Does she had heard for Fallen, well?
Yeah. Padamliks.
August.
Actually, to gas her bug on the... August Keith Anium's again, actually, Damlik.
Oh, deadly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Sean Jernak, August K2 Oberamach Kj and Las Anyam or Kj and Chailak La Shaw near Vimwe Gleo Shaw lay me like the phonetic scrifa in Ecolish August. I was like trying to sound out the phonetics and then I said it and Daddy's like Shan and Chailak Shan. Okay, so Shaw Mara scripture MAOL MHAO DHO fara G.
The three rist.
MAOL MHAOD H bhfad G. Bear Kermé
Malloy. Malloy. Milwog. Malloy.
Ma and dói a dearntu Malog. Malog.
Michalog or Malog.
Malog. So vi Malog mar cheann aniam agus seo in dói a deirtar sa chantar ato Malog. Agus tá go fóil teilech conbhréis a bhla glún dar aniam the Malogs. The Malogs.
Milweog.
Yeah. They're gur.
Well, there. Can't tell you character Malaki.
Yeah, so
Wheel. Shim Gushin and form curt or Malaki.
No, tá there's an tá cion eile mula heachtain ná rud. Fan go bheici mé an
Same the cost of leis, no? Wilog.
Seo an nota a bhí scríbte faoi. Surely to be pronounced Malag after the fashion of Mlachlan. So Mlachlan, Shannon meal.
Okay.
Mlachlan, Shannon aniam de antanium of a couple of ardri. Source of the surname Log, analogous to but seemingly distinct from Malloy. A connection with the saint occurring in the name of the various Scottish places called Kilmalog seems probable. Both Mlachlan and less commonly Malog are employed as Gaelicizations of Malachy. So, shouldn't go into someone like well.
Into someone. So, but there's a lot of stuff there. So, what do you deduce? Could you hear in Tussa and kill them Malog? No, could you?
It's anium dubh anium Gaelic at all like anium dubh agus cai guru
and we'll dar that some will Malachy in a corruption though.
No they're say guru shaw and dói deirtar go ahead like
no I mean that's what I mean is Malachy is a corruption of the Malachy isn't Gaelic. It's like Kieran is to Kieran or Michael is to Michael. So is he saying that Wilog is the Gaelic version of Malachy?
Third say both Mlachlan agus less commonly Malag are employed as Gaelicizations of Malachy. So Costal Matadinion agus Giri Aniam a Gaelu.
So the Malogs. Okay. In the end podcast could me Kester Nice move and try that.
Yeah.
Siad done way.
Tashi samo like Kai Guru Denya Darbanium Malag. It's the Chailak Badger Neil Sogum. Chéad blian ó han nummer sin.
Yeah, the Malogs.
Vigi tamo Kesh Kurahud and Mayo Saku.
Yeah. It's free. I'm like you got
Veo de like tashin and I go only like Éireann Bhóthar one like kind of an ecolish na rectors agus gactini so but
sure
Sean Malag but ni veo them will hin leis nor hin like they're in hello leis but ni veo more leis.
Sure. Is fi sinna isfru. Ach, fásta, bhhaid lomsa Esther níos mó for tithe tabhairne is far in Éireann. I want to continue through that list because there's a lot of good pubs there. Go back to that list.
Okay.
I want to continue in this list.
Okay.
We need to. Huh?
Very much Sula Chunul Éireann.
Yeah.
Street 66, Dublin.
Never been.
No, I'm not sure hard. Sunflower Public House, Belfast.
Yes, lovely pints.
Yeah, Harumashon.
No, lovely place. Into jazz. Lovely interior. In the Fáilteach, Joch na Ganta. Peaceable Costasach. Agus peaceable notion in ama. But no, it's quite nice. Even we in the back smoking area to learn more. It's like going to the George Warner show. But Nislu. What
It's about hipstery.
It's about hipstery. Yeah, that's what I mean by notion is. But this is comfort that hipstery. Or say like be a jazz side team we. Yeah. Go on.
Teen Yakton.
But ní Kevin.
Yeah. Finition. Come what? Yes, our team we just cause like gag pub and you've never been beyond Tashi Pluta.
Yeah, that's it.
O'Loughlin's Irish Whiskey Bar, Ballyvaughan, County Clare.
Never been.
Sounds good.
Probably gonna be good. County Clare and Irish whiskey. Sounds good. Yeah.
Clark's Bar, Drogheda, County Louth.
Doesn't inspire me. Níl sagam an rachi.
Is dóthe go raibh meisián agus mé sa phleá ach. A deaglam cefnú bar lei in Rome. Is bhíon tú an méid sin pobanna dachar cefnú
Bhíon.
Blex of the Holla in Scotland.
Sin inte randamach.
Blex of the Holla. Bhí me se an Uruguayan just bhí much a Gulfreed in Scotland agus bhí much géirí. Yeah, ní ceann catia or much. Ag tacht ar asio action chat no.
You never need a reason for going to a pub. But could you all to him? And we'll so
Ní ceann lom. Beidir go raibh me sé ag challenge ní ceann lom a gart. Níl sagam. The Cobblestone Smithfield. Yes, there anyway. In the jazz. Near Vitose de Honey and Chin in Eccles or Fai couple of Shackton.
Yes, the Lermore tithe tabhairne into jazz and Canterson. Into jazz is a Canterson. Agus the Cobblestone Galante. Usually like into jazz TV Steen or read, but Vishy Samuel, I would say tithe tithe tabhairne and East Company might clear, but Cobblestone's is a bit edgy and nice drinks. Dini Cargill, Agus Phionta.
Yeah. Been a going Codge War tourist son.
Yeah. If you want to get another great place is Walsh's, which is a wee bit over Pinty into jazz. Agus being a night's just session called be a session or aniaka oku. Really it was very I vagabonds among sort of local stuff. It was a morning session around the show. It was very on Gach Jardin. And then I was learn more than that film. Sure. Get all sorts of weird I'm gonna say weird, but that's the wrong word, but
eccentric
people. And then I was talking about the music, like really obscure English old English ballads, so it was really more sin,
Class.
My bunny love.
The new fiction find you see what why. My bunny love.
Really version. You like Joan Baez stuff, but it's really good. Yeah. What's any more than this?
Mother Max, Limerick City.
You get a free knife on entry, a free free stabbing on entry. I don't know. Limerick's supposed to be great crack. There's supposed to be great crack in Limerick, and I mean that in both senses, but not the word. Apologies to all Limerick viewers.
Bailey Moog ag Eric an Parchan. Ní me se. Agus an Cion Déarnach, the Duke of York, Belfast.
Yes, great bar.
A race been sé gcónaí plóda heile.
That's better, let's say, Hannah in the Duke of York in the back. Just doch Reggie. Folks, thank Guinness. I reached gained the mind. I think every bar should be rated on how good its Guinness is. Well.
Okay, and Waggy much done a new year in this?
I think now is the time. We've gone through the list. We did what we came here to do. We've spread the word about decent Guinness places. Agus taken which Tishkin's niece bar again Shanachas Durahas, which is of course our main topic. The Guinness agus Shanachas Durah.
Slán.
Slán.